Hey everyone, I hope all of you guys are doing good and staying safe. My name is Akshay and welcome to VPC Masterclass. For people who are beginners to the VPC concepts or even to the networking concepts, we have Networking 101 lectures where you get to know about what is an IP address, what is public subnets, what are private subnets, what is subnetting, what are route tables and routes and so on. And then we deep dive into creating a very basic network architecture, and then we take a look at how do you do it in an organization with really good best practices with a highly available fault tolerant network architecture. And then we also take a look at some of these small configurations in terms of networking on the AWS side with a defense in depth strategy. And then we take a look at how do you connect your on-premise network architecture through site-to-site VPN or through transit gateway or through direct connect. And then we also take a look at how do you inspect your network traffic by creating something called as the network firewall at the perimeter of your VPC. And then we also enable logs for the same. We also enable flow logs to two different destinations, S3 and CloudWatch logs. And then we finally, take a look at some of the advanced concepts in terms of the practical aspects. There are so many walkthroughs, so much of theory, 4 hours of content in terms of the VPC Masterclass. I hope you get really thorough with the VPC related configurations after taking a look at this masterclass. So every single day, think to yourself that one concept a day, 365 concepts for the year equals 6 technical certifications. You will have abundance of knowledge in terms of cracking any interview. That's the ultimate aim. The more and more AWS brings out configurations, the more I will share those configurations to the community so that you guys can grow and have a better career for yourself, which means you will take care of your families much better. I'll see you in the VPC Masterclass.